Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding TRX on Bitmart and want to move it over to Bitrue for better opportunities in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step. It's a straightforward transfer, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitmart and Bitrue. If you don't, go ahead and sign up, it's quick and free. Once you're logged into your Bitmart account, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including TRX. Select TRX from this list. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which should be your Bitrue deposit address for TRX. To get that, log into your Bitrue account in a new tab. Go to the Deposit section, select TRX, and copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it's the correct network. TRX uses the Tron network, so double-check that. Back on Bitmart, paste the Bitrue address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave some for any network fees. Review all the details carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to permanent loss. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button and verify the transaction with any required 2FA codes. Now, the transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Bitrue account. Go back to the Deposit History in Bitrue, and you should see the TRX arriving soon. Once it's there, you're all set. That's it for this quick guide on transferring TRX from Bitmart to Bitrue in 2025. Remember, crypto markets can change, so always stay updated with the latest exchange policies. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.